ready to ditch the generic Real Geeks number and use your own familiar digits to connect with clients. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Real Geeks account and head over to the My Profiles section. You'll usually find this by clicking on your name or profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. On your profile page, look for the Phone Numbers or Call Settings tab. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on your Real Geeks setup, but it should be pretty straightforward. Click on that. Here, you should see options related to your Real Geeks phone number. Look for a setting that says something like Use Personal Phone Number or Forward Calls to. Enable this setting, usually by toggling a switch or checking a box. Then, carefully enter your personal phone number in the provided field. Double-check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any missed calls. Some systems might require you to verify your number. If so, follow the instructions provided, which usually involves receiving a confirmation code via text or call. Once verified, save your changes. And that's it. Now, when you make calls or send texts through Real Geeks, your clients will see your personal phone number, strengthening your brand and making communication even easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Real Geeks tips.